Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing hidden files on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open Finder from the dock. Then open the folder that you would like to show the hidden files of. To see hidden files, you need to use a keyboard shortcut. Press the Shift command and full stop keys simultaneously. The hidden files will now appear. You can hide the files again by pressing the same keys simultaneously. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.